Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable OneDrive backup on LENOVO V15. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Go to Accounts. On the sidebar, scroll down to Windows Backup, and here you can check which parts of your devices are backed up. In my case, nothing is backed up. OneDrive isn't syncing. App list is not backed up. Neither are preferences. To back up your app list and preferences, switch this toggle to the right and then switch this one to the right too. And now to set up syncing for OneDrive folders, click Setup Syncing right here. Then select the folders that you want to back up. Click Save Changes. And then OneDrive will start backing up your files. So you can go back to Accounts and then return back to Windows Backup and check the status once again. And right now the OneDrive is syncing my selected folders. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.